Are autonomous vehicle owners responsible for accidents? In recent news, the question of whether autonomous vehicle owners are responsible for accidents has gained significant attention. With the rise of self-driving technology, many are asking how liability is determined in these cases. Just yesterday, a high-profile accident involving an autonomous vehicle made headlines, prompting discussions about accountability. As more people consider the implications of owning or riding in these vehicles, understanding the legal landscape is essential. In the context of personal injury law, determining responsibility for accidents involving autonomous vehicles is complex and evolving. Traditional liability frameworks do not fully address the unique circumstances of autonomous vehicle-related accidents. These vehicles operate with varying levels of human intervention and relying heavily on artificial intelligence and sensor technologies. Liability often depends on the level of vehicle automation. For lower levels where the human driver retains control, owners may still be held responsible for accidents caused by their negligence or failure to intervene. However, for higher-level autonomous vehicles that operate without human input, liability may shift toward manufacturers, software developers, or service providers. This is especially true if a defect in the vehicle's system or software caused the accident. Regulatory environments also influence liability. Some states have more advanced laws that accommodate commercial autonomous ride services. This potentially assigns responsibility to the operator or company managing the autonomous vehicle rather than the individual owner. For example, companies like Cruise and Waymo operate under regulatory frameworks that place more accountability on the service provider. Conversely, states with less developed regulations may complicate liability determinations and delay clear assignment of responsibility. Data reporting requirements following collisions are becoming more common. These rules mandate that collision data be shared with federal agencies. This transparency may impact liability by providing evidence to support claims against manufacturers or software operators rather than individual owners. From a personal injury perspective, victims of autonomous vehicle accidents may pursue claims against various parties depending on the facts. This could include the vehicle owner, the manufacturer, the software provider, or even third parties involved. The investigation often involves analyzing data logs from the vehicle systems to establish fault. Autonomous vehicle owners may be responsible for accidents if they retain control or fail to meet their duties. However, as automation increases, liability is increasingly shared or shifted toward manufacturers and service providers. Legal frameworks and regulations are still adapting to these changes, making liability in autonomous vehicle accidents a developing area in personal injury law.